Yo, what up guys? We're on Robbie Ferreira's YouTube channel today. Make sure every one of you guys got yourself a nice toque.
Number one complaint, everybody's always saying, we didn't get what we wanted, you sold out in 10 minutes. So this time, we stocked the shit out of the website. There should still be some things there by the time this video goes live. I try to get it on there so like anybody that missed it or was working has a chance to get stuff. So there might still be a couple things on there and we still almost sold all of it. So I love you guys. I just want to say thank you guys for that. And I wanted to say that we have like 30 Hot Wheels boxes inside. We haven't been at the PO box in a while. We're still gonna do it. I just stopped opening them in the beginning of every video. So if you're still sending Hot Wheels, we're still doing it.
He's slacking hard.
It's just, it got repetitive. I didn't want to be repetitive. Anyway, today we're gonna start doing some more work to the S10. I told you guys when we put the lowering kit on it that we're gonna kind of like build this thing and then we'll take it all back apart and do the frame. Can you verify that this is gonna happen?
Oh, 100%. Guaranteed.
The Civic is just a major project right now, and the last thing I want to do is have two cars completely torn into pieces, bags of bolts everywhere for two different vehicles.
It's gonna be what happens anyway.
I know, but we're gonna try and avoid it for as long as possible. So we're gonna keep working on it. We're gonna keep sending it because we are not dropping this LS into here until here doesn't look like such a dookie. One thing I wanted to do since the day I got this truck was upgrade the front end. So this is the 87 front end. I don't know what year this, I think it went from whatever year the S10 started to 90. You're like, oh, no.
No idea, buddy.
I think in 91 they changed the front end over. So the S10 that I had at West had the 91 front end and I liked the look of it just 10 times better. I think it's just way cleaner. And not to mention, we can't be driving it around like this. I came home for Christmas one year and we did the classic thing where like there was absolutely nobody on the road and the guy in front of me just like stopped for no reason. Gave him a kiss. I kissed him right here. Okay, we gave him a little kiss and this is obviously pushed in and the little valence piece right here is dented and the bumper is just gross to look at and there's holes in it from when we pulled it out of the barn and drove it home.
Basically the truck's got a crooked smirk on it.
It does. It's gotta get fixed.
Yo, you could probably climb in that. Not bad.
Right? It's a little claustrophobic, but it works.
So we got the high performance bushing kit.
Yeah, this we don't need to open today. This is gonna be more for like when we do the frame off.
These are the,
Nice, those are the bumper lights.
That's gonna be wicked on this thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
That's
about.
gonna clean the face up so good.
Couple bolts.
Not bad.
So that goes on the new grill. A couple of these things are more for like the day we actually take on the full build. But can we open this guy now? I feel like we've just been beating around this. Wow, dude, this is so clean. Oh my God, bro.
Wow, it's gonna look fresh.
Bro, it looks ridiculous on camera because it's just, it's like, it's way too much right now.
So this is what you had on the BC S10?
Yeah, that's the front end we had before. It just basically takes this piece, like this little bezel piece behind the bumper, and it joins it into one piece.
Yeah,
so now like
headlight housing.
Yeah, like this is a separate bezel, this is a separate grill, and then that little piece underneath. So now this is all one unit and it just, in my opinion, way cleaner. And I would never ever buy chrome, ever, for any car. I'm not a big chrome guy. Like, I know neither are you, like chrome. We usually get rid of the chrome. The way I'm gonna build this thing, you just gotta believe me that the chrome front end, it's gonna be where it's at. Wow, I don't wanna touch it. This is so clean.
That's gonna be nice. That's nice and clean.
That's actually delicious. So everything that we got here is from LMC Truck. LMC Truck is something I've been using since I bought this truck. You could literally build a truck from their website. Like you could buy every single part you ever need. I recommend you guys check out LMC Truck. I've been using them for a long time. Lots of stuff I already have. Like I already have like this little dash panel piece in here too that I just haven't fully installed. I have a headliner somewhere. They make good stuff. They make it easy to find. So there's a link in the description. I recommend you guys check them out if you're interested in getting anything for any of your projects. What are you doing?
I was looking for some hardware.
One thing we're noticing as we're taking all this apart is like when it comes time to do the full restoration and like we fully take this truck apart, we're gonna need just like a full rad sport. Because we're not gonna try and fix like...
Definitely not.
No. And maybe even a new Fendi.
Here you go.
Beautiful. This does actually look like it's dented.
That is definitely bent.
It honestly looks like...
It looks easy to bend back.
It looks like the old 3-pound hammer might put it right back in place. Robbie's frame repair at your service. I totally thought that this arm was gonna be bent because this is normally the thing that bends. But it was the frame piece, and it was actually super easy to bend back. I just hit it with a hammer. It kind of just bent out on this pinch right here, and then Chris is just ripping all of these, what do you call these?
Alligator clip, who knows? I have no idea.
Just makes it up on the spot. Everything on my truck is like gross and kind of rusty like this. So instead of putting these back into the alligator clip, I got this little bucket full of push pins, which is actually super nice. We're just gonna go around and like gonna push pin them into the bottom of the chrome. So nothing should scratch, should be nice. Oh wait, we gotta put the Chevy thing on first. It says make your own relocator bracket. So after doing a little bit more research, we concluded that that's my fault. There was just a lack of effort put in on my fault. All my effort's been going into like world of the unknown that I'm in with this car. And I thought this would be simple. I read like one forum that said you can do it, and I'm like, yeah, we're good to go. So you do need the other rad support. 91 to 93 rad support, essentially all that's different is a couple bolt holes and stuff, but the headlight sits 5/8 of an inch lower. We were just telling you guys that we need a new rad support anyways at the beginning of the video, which if we knew we needed it, we would have bought it. It's not like we're trying to avoid it, because this one is extra yuck. Yeah. Oh, did you go through it? Yeah. Anyway, so it's not like we were trying to avoid this, we just actually didn't do research. My thought process is when we put the LS in here, I was gonna take this whole rad support out anyways because it's super easy to get this rad support out, and once it's out, you can literally just wheel the engine straight back. But we're gonna try and figure out a way to get these headlights in for today, for your guys' sake, so that we can see this front end like swap, whatever, in like 2 weeks when we go to do the LS swap. I'll order this piece tonight, and then we'll take this one off, do the swap, and when we put it all back together, we'll do it properly. That's what I'm talking about.
Slim on options here, so we had to Bob Joe it. And you'll see it in the time lapse. We got 2 screws holding each headlight in. And I don't recommend leaving it like that. So Robbie is gonna get us a nice new rad support.
We're not promoting doing this and leaving it this way is what we're trying to say. Don't do it. It's bad.
Your headlight would probably fall off down the highway.
It would. Chris got his light actually like fitting way better. It sticks out farther. Mine's a little bit more sunken in. The main thing with these, now that this grill's here, is that they're supposed to sit out farther to kind of fill in this gap, but they don't. So hopefully the new rad support will push them out a little bit, but for now we got them in so that you guys can see it and we can keep going. These came with yellow bulbs, which is actually sick, so that means this will run as a yellow light just inside of like a clear and chrome housing, which is super nice because right now it's a yellow housing, wherever they are, Chris has them, yellow housing, and they had just a white bulb. Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna say this so many times, but like this is the first time I have been so stoked by chrome. To be honest, I feel like the color really shit on the chrome. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This looks so stupid on the camera.
What? Why?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. Come look at
on the
it.
camera.
Come, look at this. If I just hold this like this.
I don't know, man. In person though?
Maybe we need to get it outside. Maybe too, I think the color, that's what I'm saying, like the color is really eating it.
Dude, no. I actually think that this enhanced the look of the truck. Like,
Really?
color.
Really?
I think so.
I pictured this with like...
The black grill with the black bumper made this. Because, dude, most square body trucks, they have faded paint and they're still badass and they look good.
Yeah, it's true.
So I feel like this just works like a number on this. I'm not saying you keep it, I'm just saying, I think the truck itself with this chrome front end looks way, way clean. Get her outside, man. I'm dying to see this thing inside. Alright, let's do some drifts.
Do some trips. We can do some fat one wheel feels. Alright, I threw my license plate on too before we left because I feel like the license plate might break up the chrome a little bit on camera. Me and Chris are both thinking this looks so good, but like the camera's just saying no. I'm gonna show you guys a couple photos of like what I'm going for, and you can see the chrome looks just perfect on these trucks. But for some reason, I think just like the quality of this truck and the brand newiness of the chrome and also the headlights and everything aren't in properly. I don't know, man. I don't know. I just feel disappointed in how it looked on camera. Alright, buddy. This is the real test, the distance test. The most important test after a mod. Come on! Oh my god.
I'm quite happy with the look. I feel like it looks exactly
how it should.
like a C10.
Yeah, it does. It looks just unreal. It's rough, but we got it done today to show you guys and to feel accomplished, because if we had another loss, we would be quite sad right now. You wanna flick on the lights here? I wanna see what these look like. Dude, those are sick.
Yeah, they actually look rad.
I love that. I love that they're like clear lensed, but they come on yellow. And then we gotta get these. Hey, I'm colorblind. It's whatever color I want. And then we gotta get these cleared, and then like some nice projectors for this. But no, dude, I'm pleased. I'm very
Even
pleased.
from this angle, man.
It looks
the
nice.
rest of the truck is clean. I honestly hate the wheels on this truck. I think that's what kills it for me. Because like I said, man, square bodies, they always look rough. And they always seem to look good looking rough. And for some reason, I don't know what it is, I don't like your wheels.
It also probably doesn't help that like not only is the truck rough, but half the truck has black dots and like rust coming through it.
I can't wait for this thing to have the LS with a big snail.
That's what I'm saying. That's all I got for you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed. This side is just slightly modified, so.
Yeah? Slightly modified by like Bob or something?
Well, this wasn't just gonna fall off, I can tell you that.
What did Robbie Repairs get up to?
There's a frickin' C-clamp, and the C-clamp is more rotten than the truck, and the C-clamp's only been here for like 4 years. I can't get it to unwind. When you unwind it, the slider that you would unwind bends.
Oh, nice.
Oh, you got one of those guys. You got an actual clamp.
That's what I said.
Oh, well, dude, I don't know, man. I didn't picture that. That's a full-on Bob Joe move.
The thing was rotten. The little tab coming down was rotten. I could put a bolt in it. Dude, sometimes you gotta Bob Joe it, alright?
Oh, man, that is just unreal.
R.I.P. to the C-clamp.